Hello everyone. So here with me is my new trainee. So he's here to learn how to package nylon. He wants to be selling nylon in wholesale. So he's here to learn how to package nylon. So if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is V Ward. On this channel, we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your product. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so you join the family. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate. So let's hear from him. Sir, what's your name?
My name is Mr. Anele Augustine.
Mr. Nele, you are welcome to the World family.
Thank you.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Omahia,
Umuahia.
North, precisely Obakala.
Wow, welcome.
Obakala, near Obakala Market, Obakala Junction. Yeah, you can get my stuff.
Wow. Can you greet my audience with your language in Umuahia?
Omahia people, ana m ekele unu. Ana m ekele unu, ndewo unu. Naanụ, ndewo.
Ndị Umuahia
Ndị Ụmụahịa naanụ.
Nan.
Mma o.
Hey.
Ndị Ụmụahịa. This side I came is giving me something that I need. I heard about V-Word nylon production. There are many nylon production in Umuahia, Aba, but I've gone to some of them that I didn't get what I need. And I called her on phone when I was watching her video and on YouTube and other things. I called her on phone and she gave me audience. Then with the appointment, I came since yesterday. I was here. I came here since yesterday, past the night, do the training yesterday, continue the training today. Now I'm about finishing the training, though it's a crash program anyway because of time. But I'm really interested on what I'm seeing here.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So guys, you have to stay tuned because you are going to learn alongside with him how to package all kinds of nylon. We might not be talking, I might do voiceover because of the noise. So I'll be teaching him everything, how to package and everything. So stay tuned. Let's do SS1, the one that have hands. So we have canteen 100 and canteen 30. So I'm going to teach you how to package it right now. See, this is water. You have to touch water. The essence of this water is to, in case if two gum each other, you'll be able to remove it easily. Understand? So let me remove this one now. Start. See, it's one. This one is two now. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's 30.
This is that.
Yes, you keep it one side. Okay, let me teach you how to put it in. This is do your own. Today I had the pleasure of training one of my newest distributor. So I decided to take you along the journey so you can also learn from the process. From counting to sealing to packaging, I taught him everything he needs to know to start his nylon wholesale journey confidently. We started with black nylon counting and packaging. At first, he was little confused, like most beginners. But I told him not to worry. I showed him how to arrange the nylons neatly, how to count them accurately, and how many pieces makes a full bag. Now, I'm teaching him how to seal. Normally, we use an electric sealing machine, but I explained something very important. If there is no light in your area, you must be able to seal with candle. Time to learn nylon measurements. I explained different sizes, different between inches and microns, and how to identify each measurement. Without guessing, he wrote everything down neatly in his notebook because in this business, every details matters. So he's sealing the bundle bag to use it and package one bag. So I allowed him to package one bag so that he won't forget how many pieces that makes one bag. We entered the kg section. He took the full bag to scale it. He weighed it and learned how to check if the kg is complete or not. From there, I explained everything about selling nylon in kilograms, how to calculate buying costs, selling price, and expected profits. I showed him how to confirm whether the goods are correct by scale, so he will never run at a loss. So right here, I'm teaching him how to seal the big one, the big handless with the candle, or the semi candle. So at first he struggled a little with his hands. His hands were not getting it right with the right angles and everything. But at the end he got it, and here we are learning how to package white nylon, the straight one, the one that usually straight. So he's learning how to fold it well so that it will be straight and smooth. As you can see, after doing mine, I used to give him chance to do too so that I will know that he actually got it right. So it's time to package white nylon. I'm showing him how to package white nylon, how to insert sticker, how many pieces of nylon that makes up one bundle, one bag, and everything. Now, as you can see, I'm explaining to him how to package it in a full bag, how to arrange the full bag well. So he wrote everything down carefully because in nylon business, accurate record means accurate profits. So here he's writing everything accurately. He's writing how many bundles, how many that makes one bundle, how many in a bag and everything. He's writing everything carefully. So I allowed him to summarize everything he has learned so far. Now it's time to package the small one. Next, we continued with SS1 nylon. I taught him how to count and package SS1. How many pieces makes one bundle? An exact price breakdown for distributors. He also tied it by himself. This part is very crucial because as a distributor you need to learn it. Even though the producers tie it and maybe at the process of loading it might scatter and you need to retie it. That's why you have to learn it. It's very important. A distributor or wholesaler, you have to learn this thing. It's very crucial. So we have come to the end of the lecture. So I want to hear from him. Can you just tell my audience your experience so far and what you have learned so far?
Hello, audience. I'm very grateful. Since yesterday, it was a very interesting research, I can say, or training. I've learned many things like SS1, SS2 packaging. I've learned about it, how to package it, the price, and the kg of it, the price per kg. So I've learned it. Then also, I mean, this SS1 is with hand, SS1 with hand, and SS2 with hand, and big hand. I've learned how to package them. and the price also, right? Then we also learn about the handlers, big handlers and small handlers. The counting is very, very important. So I've learned it, how to count it, and the price is also, I've learned how to tag the price on it, right? Then even the packaging is okay, I've learned it. The another one is the Santana White. I've learned that one. Very, very important. Santana White is mostly used in my area. So I took time to learn the process, how to package it, and just maybe by bundle and bag. How many in a bag? How many that contains one bag, and how many that contains a bundle? I'm okay with the training anyway.
Wow, congratulations.
Yeah.
So, what do you have to tell my audience? Are you encouraging them to come and learn too, both to enroll both online training and physical training? Or
Audience, please. There is two packages: online training and physical training. I'm encouraging them to come
learn
down and
both
learn.
online? Those that is fast because we have Cameroon,
Oh, yeah,
those that is
okay,
in
okay.
Cameroon, Ghana, and the
All
rest.
right, all right, all right.
So,
Yeah,
okay. So you said you are from Umahia.
I'm from
Where in Umahia?
Obakala. It's just my shop is at Obakala Junction, near Obakala Market, where you get us.
Umahia people, you can come and patronize him, come and buy from him high quality goods at the supplier. So trust his goods. You understand? Trust his good 100%. If he sell a goods that is not good, as long as I'm the one that supply the goods, come and hold me responsible. Unless I'm not the one that supply the goods to him. You understand? So make sure you go to his shop and patronize him. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you won't miss any updates from View World Nylon Productions. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate. Thanks for joining. See you in my next video. Bye.